So hi there, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll show you how to format text in Microsoft Word, including how to use bold, italics, underline to change the font style and also the font size in your Word. So these are basic but powerful tools that help make your document look more professional. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have a document that I want us to edit in Microsoft Word so that we achieve our desired format that we want. So let's say, for example, I want to write font size of this page that I want to turn this text into font size times New Roman. What I will do, I will just put my cursor anywhere and then click Control A. It will highlight everything like that. That is the shortcut that you can use. Then go to this section. You can change the font type that you want to use. So let's say, for example, you want to use Algerian. It will go ahead and change for you the font size and all that. But the font size that we normally use, that is used by most of the academics, is Times New Roman. So you click on that. Then the font size is 12, like that. Then you can also go ahead and check the paragraphs if you want to change your paragraphs. There is this sections here that it says align left, there's center, there's also right, then there is justify. If you want to also do that, you can come to this section, select the whole data like this. Then if you want to center, it will look like this. If you want to put it, align it to the left, it will look like that. If you want to make it justified, it will look like this. But at the same time, you can also go ahead and click on this drop down menu, click on it, then you go to this section. On this section, you can do a lot of customization. The alignment, if you want it justified, just select justified like that. Then on this, this is where there is now a different that I want you to see, I want you to see. If it says on this section, if it says special, that is first line, you can see first line has been indented to this every paragraph when it starts. But let me say, if I want to remove that, I'll just click here, then click on none. Then I can also go and check the line spacing. I can pick 1.5, click on that. Then spacing before and after, I just put it 0. Then when I click OK like that, you can see my document has been edited into justified form. Then you can see the way it looks like. Again, if I want to bold my headers in the document that I have, I'll just highlight the headers that I want to bold. Then I'll go to this section where this B says bold, click on it like that. If you want to make it italics, click on it like that. You see it changes. If you want to underline your headers, you click on it like that, then it will underline immediately. If you want to also see other options that you want to use, there is this broken lines, dashed underline. There's this section that also has dotted underline, but I want this first option that says just underline, so you can also select from that point. But I don't want my text underline or italics. I'll still take it back to bold. Then I can also center it, click on it. My topic will, my headers will go in the middle. So if you have other headers in a document, you just follow the same process. Then, so let's say, for example, I want this paper to be in APA format. What I will do, I'll just highlight the whole paper like this. Then I will start putting the settings that I want it to be in APA format. I'll go Times New Romans, font size 12. Then you can go to this place where now you can change your alignment to left. Then first line, then you can also put it double based on the instruction that is given by your supervisor. Then click OK. Then automatically you can see your document looking like this. Let me go back. Your document looking like this. Then since it is APA format, you can see you can just take back that to make sure there's no spacing like that. So your document looks like this. This one, make sure it's in the middle part like this. So you can go ahead and edit, and the way I have shown you, the sections. If you want to edit your paper based on the instruction, just find, if you want to bold it, it's here, italics, underline, the font type, the font size, the paragraphs and all that. But at the same time, you can also go ahead and set the default setting of your font size and font type. Just click on that section, come to this pop-up, then you pick Times New Romans, font style, put it regular, then the font size, put it 12, then click set as default like that. Then select this section that says all document based on the normal template, click OK. Then everything that you're going to paste here, let me delete this so that I go back and then show you what I'm saying. Just delete this content. So if I come back here and I want to paste my document here, if I paste it there, you can see it automatically goes to Times New Roman font size 12. Then there is also this style, this place that says styles. I've also done a video on this. You can just go ahead and subscribe to this channel where you can go ahead and create your own style that looks like, for example, this one, first line. You can see it has given me an intent in the first line and all that. So that is how you can easily create and also edit your document in Microsoft Word, just a few clicks, so you can make your document easier to read and much more polished. So if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.